Okay. All of this, again, is just in service to corresponding with what is in the works cited entry. If you all are working with something where something has like the same author and you're working with different sources, you'll actually put in the in-text citation the beginning of the title, right? So that the second thing in the corresponding works cited page citation is listed, all right? Because their name would be in the sentence. Yay. And if their name isn't in the sentence, you put in there. So it'd be a long one, but that's something to look at if you've got a lot with the same author. Now, how exciting. Big reminder, big important thing for any of your, non-print internet sources, which we're all working with. Basically, the rule of thumb is to just include the first thing that's in the works cited page. Okay, the first thing that's in the citation on the works cited page is what goes in that parenthetical citation. Okay, cool. I underlined that there for us to remind us, because all of that is in service to referencing from your actual text to the works cited page. Woohoo! How exciting, right? Great. This is basically what we've already been talking about, so I'm going to go on there. This is the thing that you need to remember for print or for non-print. I don't know why they differentiate here, because really we're just looking all the time at what's coming first in your works cited citation, which is why we spent so much time trying to get those perfect in the annotated bibliography so that they're done. And now you know what you need to put either in your sentence or in the works cited page. Okay, or in-text citation. Lots of words that overlap. I know it gets confusing. Thank you for following. I'm going to post this collection of slides as well, so you have access to be able to look at it, since I went through it pretty quickly. But just know that you'll have this video to look back on as well. Okay. I think that is all I wanted to kind of get through. So now I want to talk about what's up for this week. Yay. Hold on, let me move my head a little more. Okay. I feel like I haven't breathed this whole time from going through that pretty quickly. Okay. So, for week 14, what you need to do by the end of it in preparation for week 15, full-ish draft, okay? No later than April 19th by noon. So you've got a solid week to try and get this happening. I only ask for it at this particular time so that I have time to pair you up Sunday afternoon with a partner or partners to trade for workshop over week 15. Because if I get a lot of them in late, it's going to just really mess up partnering at all. So if this is impossible for you to do, please let me know as soon as you can so that I can kind of figure out alternative plans. I know that's going to be the case maybe for some of us, but I'm really hoping that you can buckle down or whatever. I don't even know. It sounds so weird to request of you. But your final essay needs to be like 8 to 10 pages. I'm thinking that you could shoot for maybe at least 6 for this workshop so you can get real feedback. But of course, attempting to do the full draft would be the best for you, right? And I'm going to try to pair you up with people that you either request by sending me a message about who you want to work with, or I'll do it based on length, right? So those of you that have written the most will also be paired with those that have written the most, and, as we go down the line to best help each other. I'll put the instructions up next week for long form workshop, which is like what we've already done in the past. But it's just going to be to help each other and see what other people are doing. I will make week 14's discussion board available. It is going to be due now on the 19th as well, instead of that Friday, because I want to know, like prep work style, what you know is solid about the draft that you have written by that point, what you know needs work, and then what kind of feedback you're looking for specifically from your workshop partner. And you can't say like, everything, just tell me how to fix it, or if the flow's good. Like, I want you to be specific about your needs because, you know, we've worked on writing together long enough now that you can identify your weak points. So, particularly if you're referencing flow, do you mean organization? Do you mean transitions? Are you talking about content, like sentence clarity? So rather than just saying flow, like I really never know what that means. So be specific about what you mean, and you'll get full points for that kind of preparation. So week 15 is, so the week after this upcoming one is going to be entirely devoted to giving your partner some feedback. Week 16 is for you to do essay revision, hoping that we can all get the essay in by April 29th, ideally. So then for finals week, you can do this little reflection video for me. But that's like the ideal date that I'd like it. And of course, if you need different timing, just communicate with me and we'll work it out. Because we are almost done, y'all. How exciting. Anyway, I miss being in class with you. People have been asking me lately, like, how's online teaching going? And I'm like, it's fine. It's just sad because I like the process of us being able to communicate together and everything. But I'm hanging in there. I hope you are too. Let me know how you're doing, okay? Memes, photos, etc. are always welcome in discussion board as well. So stay open to that. And I also look forward to peeking at your drafts that you turn in for a workshop. I'm sure they'll be great. So many of you have like such great ideas and research. Thank you for working hard on this in this global pandemic. Woo! All right, that's all I have for you for week 14. Again, you are working on your draft, okay? April 19th is the goal for a full-ish draft. And let me know if you have any other questions or if I can offer any clarification, okay? Thanks, y'all. Happy day. Happy week. Stay inside. Bye.